pride. What is capital sin, Ken?
In Catechism of the Catholic Church, pride is to aim higher than what he really is, or who he really is, or it is to wish, or to appear above what he really is. So that's pride.
Elevation. Okay. In terms of investments, I would say that pride is connected to an investor who is holding on to an investment, to a losing investment, even though there is no recovery in sight. So that would mean he wouldn't be making an admission that he made a mistake and then keep on holding that investment even though perde na siya. And hindi niya napag-let go until the end nga, hoping to prove something. I'm better than this. I'm way higher than this. And the tendency would be to not let go of a losing investment, even though in the horizon, wala na sang recovery.
It's like holding on to some fame that is not.
Yeah.
Yes.
Though if you take a look at somebody, so somebody who is a player in sample blackjack, player na casino, nagampang siya sa casino, nagampang siya blackjack. The tendency of those nga nagampang dira, because of pride, biskan perde na siya, he will double down. He will double down, doubling the bet, even though he's losing.
So it's not accepting what the real situation is. It's like that.
Oo, kung perde ka na, hindi ka pa mag-surrender, hindi ka pa mag-admit defeat, but you keep on doing that. The tendency is malubong siya sa losses niya.
Right.
Which is one of the common mistakes of some of us investors or those into financial planning. Even though, let's say, there are really loser stocks. Wala na giniya ka dalagan or wala na sang recovery in sight. So when you started it, and even some of these stocks are IPOs. Nag-IPO, you bought some with a high conviction nga masaka na siya. Pero it turns out, there's no recovery in sight na after it plunged, but you still hold on to that stock. So anong consequences? You end up perde ka na. And when the stock price gets lower and lower, going down even below the support levels is the amount which is the level or the amount which is amo na siyang pinaka lowest that people would buy a stock at. So kung mag-lower pag proud people would say hindi ma-recover pa ni just to prove that they are right.
Yes.
So another example would be ang sa nag-invest sa mga scam after nila nabalaan nga scam gali.
Okay.
Hindi na siya makabayad sa iban. They still held on to that so-called investment. Pinaka-recent ng mga scam. And to think pagid, ang mga recent ng mga scam ni nag-abot ni hundreds of millions of pesos in the Philippines lang. And this is not entirely new. Even way back, may araman sa mga scams. What's happening is that even when they have discovered that this is not an investment or this should not have been included in their portfolio, they would still want to prove nga hindi okay pa. Up to the point nga hindi nila ganing gusto mapasaka sa complaint sa SEC or the Securities and Exchange Commission because they're still hoping nga maka-recover. When in fact, wala na. Thank you na. They're getting buried na. So, what would be the virtue for this? But for me, first is the virtue dira is, in investing, it's not okay to be right all the time. So what you will do is if you have bought stocks, for example, or equities, investment in companies wherein it's not performing as intended or wala kami makita nga recovery insight,
Mm.
you just let go of that, cut your losses. You accept na not all decisions that you make, not all the inclusions in your portfolio make, they have meaning or you're correct all the time.
Mm.
So sa pag-intindi ko, let's connect the dot now.
Mm.
Dots. Let's connect the dots. Would that make sense if I want to avoid the sin of pride in my investments?
I think so, yes.
Okay, great. Sige. So, can you tell me more kung tama na siyang approach?
Yes, because the opposite of pride is humility, and I think it is connected also to humility because humility means accepting who or what you really are. So in religious terms now, it is to restrain from our appetite of aiming at greater things. So, which is against right reason. So it's like aiming for things that really not reasonable for us.
Okay, so if you have a losing investment
So,
or part of that,
siguro accept na lang and
You let go.
move on.
okay. So it's not all the time you make the right decisions.
Yes.
All right. Sige, thank you. So
Yes.
move this sa next. On to the next.
Advice,
Capital
capital sin or